A lot of you have been sliding into my DMs asking me the same question. How do I learn this AI thing? And I want to be honest with you first before we even start. I am not a professor. I don't have a computer science degree. Most of what I know, I learned by building things, breaking things, and figuring it out as I went. So if you've been scared to start because you feel like you are not smart enough or you're not techy enough, I want you to delete that thought right now. AI is not just for developers, it is for everyone. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly where to start. Let's get one thing straight. When most people say learn AI, they mean two very different things. And it's important you know which one applies to you. The first type is building AI, which is writing code, training models, and the deep technical stuff. That part takes years and is mostly for engineers and researchers. The second part is using AI, and that's what 99% of people actually need. Learning how to talk to AI tools, get the best results, and apply them to your work, your businesses, and your everyday life. Think of it like a car. You don't need to know how to build an engine to drive to work. You just need to know how to drive. Today, we are talking about learning how to drive. The number one mistake people make when trying to learn AI is that they go looking for a course before they've even opened a single AI tool. Don't do that. Your first step is simple. Go to ChatGPT, Cloud AI, or Gemini. All three have free versions. Sign up, open chat, and just start talking to it. Ask it something you'd normally Google. Ask it to help you write a message you've been struggling with. Ask it to help explain something confusing to you in a simple term. Just start having conversations. Here is a simple exercise I want you to try today. Open any of those tools and type this. Explain to me what artificial intelligence is like I'm 10 years old. Read the responses, then ask follow-up questions, then another one. That right there is learning AI. The people who are ahead with AI right now are not necessarily the smartest. They are just the people who started earlier and kept practicing. Here is something your AI will never tell you upfront. It is not perfect. And knowing that actually makes you a much better user. AI is great at writing and rewriting texts, summarizing long documents, brainstorming ideas, explaining complex topics, simply translating languages, and answering general questions fast. AI is bad at one, real-time information, accurate calculations, personal specific advices, and most importantly, it will sometimes make things up and sound very confident doing it. That last one is called hallucination. AI will sometimes give you wrong information with the same energy it gives you correct information. This is why you should never take AI output as the final word. Use it as a starting point, not an ending point. The smartest AI users are the ones who know when to verify. If you are a non-tech person, YouTube is the best classroom. It's free, it's visual, and you can watch at your own pace. Here is what I want you to search. AI for Beginners 2025 and just explore what comes up. Some creators I'd point you towards AI Explained by Jeff Su and Network Chuck. The goal isn't to finish course. The goal is to watch 0 to 15 minutes every day on something that interests you and try it out immediately after watching. Information without action is just entertainment. Watch something, then go try. Here is the real secret to learning AI fast. Don't try to learn AI in general. Attach it to something you already do. If you're a student, use AI to help you understand topics your teacher explained badly. Paste your notes and ask it to simplify. If you run a small business, use AI to write your product description, reply to customer complaints, or come up with marketing ideas. If you are a content creator, use AI to write captions, suggest videos, ideas, or turn one piece of content into 5 different formats. If you are a job seeker, use AI to rewrite your CV, prepare for interview questions, or write a professional cover letter. When you see AI save you 2 hours of work in one afternoon, you won't need anyone to motivate you to keep learning. Once you've been using AI tools for a few weeks and you want to go more structured, here are some free options I'd recommend. Google AI Essentials on Coursera, built for people with no tech background, teaches how AI works and how to use it practically. You can even get a certificate. Then there is Microsoft AI Learning Paths available on Microsoft Learn, also free, very beginner friendly. And then there is Elements of AI built by the University of Helsinki, completely free, no coding required, one of the most popular beginner AI courses in the world. Don't try to do all three at once. Pick one, finish it, then decide if you want to go deeper. I want to leave you with this. The goal is not to become an AI expert. The goal is to become someone who uses AI as a daily tool. The same way you use your phone, the same way you use your WhatsApp or Google Maps. You don't think of yourself as a Google Maps expert. You just use it to get where you are going. And I'll be honest, the gap between people who use AI and people who don't is growing every single day. Not because AI is making people smarter, but because AI is making people faster. One person with an AI can do what used to take a whole team. You don't have to be technical. You don't have to be young. You don't have to study for months. You just have to start. Open the tool, ask the first question, and keep going from there. That's it for today. Go open ChatGPT, Cloud, or Gemini right now before you do anything else. Ask it one question about something in your life. That's your homework. I'm happy to answer questions in the comments. And if you found this helpful, share it with others. Maybe someone who's been asking the same questions you are asking. Let's bring people along.